welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here with a quick video for you. I want to share a few goodies that I've got recently that are sitting in my planner. I'm still using the Damier Ebene planner and I'm absolutely loving this as my daily agenda. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through everything. So if that's the kind of video you want, I will try and do that for you at a later date. I do have videos with my setup, so it's pretty similar, and the new pieces in here I am about to show you. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so before I open up the planner, I just want to show you that I have recently got a new Tombow highlighter. I purchased this from eBay. I will list the seller below, so if I have UK viewers, then this is going to be perfect because there will be no international shipping fees. So this is in N89, and I shall swatch it for you on this notepad. Okay, and these are a dual brush water-based pen. So you have the brush end and then you have the fine tip. And as you can see, it's like a really soft, subtle grey, and I think that is absolutely perfect for planning and not having harsh colours, as I'm really liking the kind of nude, simplistic colours and tones. The other thing I got is this. This is the Staedtler Text Surfer Classic. It's in the colour Sand, I believe, and I actually purchased this from Cloth and Paper, so it came in a recent order. And this is a lot harsher than the Tombows, so you can already see it's quite harsh. It's not soft or mild at all. So there's that one, but it's still nice. And I suppose if you're just highlighting over something, that's probably a better line, then it's also still a nice colour. It's a nice tone, but it's definitely going to stand out in your planner more so than the Tombow. So I have to say, these all day long are my kind of preferred pens to use as highlighters. Okay, so that's out of the way. I'm going to jump into my planner and I'm going to show you what I have that's new. I'll just push this to the side. Okay, so one thing that you're not going to be able to see just straight away very easily, but I'll actually take it out so you can see it, is this fly leaf. So this again is from Amazon, and it's actually a Filofax fly leaf dashboard or insert. It did have a tab on the side that had like an F for Filofax, and I just cut that off because I don't need any tabs. But I do like the thickness of this. It's a lot thicker than the kind of acetate that I have been using, and you get 2 in a pack. Again, guys, excuse my nails, DIY, but yes, you get 2 in a pack, and these are really good at protecting your dashboard and using, if you want to put sticky notes on them, then you can also do that. So this is a new purchase, and it doesn't break the bank. Free delivery, I believe, and it was like £2 something for the 2. The next thing I want to show you, so this is the second fly leaf that I got in the set, and I decided to stick some adhesive clear pockets from Muji to the fly leaf, and inside I created my own task cards, and these turn out really well. I am going to do a separate video soon on how I created these because they're really simple. I was completely inspired by Maddie Plans. As mentioned, these are the pockets. This is how it looks with absolutely nothing in it. You just literally stick these wherever you want. I decided to put them at the bottom. And then these plastic acrylic cards I also bought from eBay, came as a set of 2, and again I think it was like maybe £2 for the 2 of them. The page flags I already had from Cloth and Paper, and in fact I can show you. it's these two here, and I'm actually using the colour Dusk and Cotton. So this is a cotton one and this is the Dusk. And what I've done is let me close this. What I did is I got my icon stickers from the planner spot and I stuck those onto the cards. I lined up where I wanted the page flags to sit and kind of mirrored so that they are all kind of pretty much symmetrical. And then I had these stickers here from a lady who sent me like some planner goodies, and in them there were all of these different transparent stickers. So I stuck these onto there and they've turned out really, really well. I do have some bits coming from a Glittery Life Plans, and when they come I'll be able to show you maybe another set of task cards that I create, but for now I absolutely love these. They're really good at just being able to map out things that you need to do. You can pick these in and out of your planner. You can take these off and put them on pages if you want to, but as I mentioned, I am going to be showing you in a video these in some more detail. So yeah, for now you can see as a new addition to my planner. Now do feel free to follow me on Instagram, NJLoves Life, because you'll be able to get sneak peeks at new things that I've kind of created or added to my planner as and when I kind of do them. So yeah, as you can see as well, my planner is really packed out. So at some point I'm gonna have to go through and really be strict and take out things I'm not using, because right now, as you just saw, it's getting a little bit tricky to close. So yeah, but with these, as you can see, as I'm doing here, you just literally pull them out. There's slots, the holes have slots, so they can literally be pulled in and out of your planner without having to open the rings, which is great. Okay, so what else is new that I want to show you? I got the linen, I believe it's the linen. If it's not linen, I will note it in the video, but I got these sticky notes from Cloth and Paper as well. And again, I just love the tone and the colour of these. Can never have enough sticky notes. Okay, so I'm still absolutely loving the Cessavi weekly inserts. Now, I know we are all, well, we should all be in kind of isolation, social distancing, so our weeks aren't going to be as packed or as varied as as we would normally have them. However, what I would say is there are always things to be doing on a daily basis. I'm still utilizing my planner like every single day. In particular, the daily printables from Noted. I'm absolutely loving these because at the weekends I find myself with a lot more free time than I do during the week. So I'm able to really plan out what I do, and especially with my daughter and being able to keep her active and keep her interested in different things. The weekends are like perfect for that. The other thing that I have also really enjoyed using recently that I wasn't using as much prior to this whole situation is the weekly table timed layout from Cloth and Paper, and I have been using these, which is perfect for being able to map out my weekly activities with work and also just general things. So I'm able to see at a glance my full week and how I have kind of utilized my time and what's been going on and things like that. So these are definitely coming in handy, and if you have these and you haven't been sure how to use them, then this, guys, is a perfect time to give it a go. Okay, so let's see what else is new that I want to show you. I went ahead and I got the wishlist tracker inserts from Cloth and Paper. They're having a sale at the moment, so feel free to check them out. They're half the price they normally would be, so I thought let's snap them up. I love these so much in the MM agenda I have, or the personal size agenda, so I thought let's get some for the GM since I'm pretty much living in this at the moment. So that's that. I I have so many dashboards that I need to print. I am thinking of getting myself a printer at some point because I usually do a lot of my printing at work on my lunch break, and I don't have that luxury anymore. So we'll see, but if not, then hopefully when things go back to normal, if we ever get back to normal, which we should, but when things get back to normal, I will definitely print and update, and I'll do a whole video on my printouts because I've got so many sitting on my inbox. Okay, so this is from EO Edits, in case you haven't seen this in my other videos. Okay, so what else do I want to show you? This, a boss insert, which is very similar to the iconic one, but obviously it's the boss version and it's absolutely lush. And again, I'm very happy that I got this because I just love the quality and feel of it. It's just so silky smooth, it's great. Okay, so I believe that's it in terms of new features and things for my planner, so I'm gonna stop there. I will, as I mentioned, when I get the time, probably do a whole run through for you because there have been a few things added in and out, and yeah, it will be probably good to do even a flip. So I will do my best to try and bring that to you, but those are the new things in my planner that I thought were worth bringing to your attention and letting you know. One other thing, guys, to mention, I don't know if anyone else is like me and suffering from dry lips at the moment. I strongly recommend the Chanel Hydra Beauty balm. It's really good. And a recent purchase that I got is this Aesop Rose Hip Seed Lip Cream, and a little goes a long way. So yeah, I recommend this if you need something for your lips. It's very creamy, the consistency is very it's like body cream really. It's very thin in consistency, but it is really nice once it's rubbed in, and it lasts a long time and your lips appreciate it. So yeah, that's it. Those are the other two things I wanted to bring to you. My hands are always super dry, but I am waiting on an order of E45 cream, and that's going to be like a godsend because the amount of hand washing that I've been doing is definitely affecting my hands, and I mean, small sacrifice to pay, I suppose. So anyways, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will be back with some more content for you as soon as I can. Bear with me, it's not going to be as consistent as I would have liked. Balancing work, mum life, and also self-care is just a challenge at times, but I'll definitely update you as much as I can. Take care, guys. Until the next one, I will see you then. Bye.